Today on CJ Classic Trucks, we're going to make our 360 big block breathe and look a whole lot better with some help from Edelbrock. The old factory air cleaners on older classic trucks can really show their age and become an eyesore, so today we're going to get rid of our ugly air cleaner for this nice looking and flowing Edelbrock air cleaner. This is Edelbrock's Black Pro-Flo Air Cleaner. It measures 14 inches in diameter and 3 inches tall, and works with 2 and 4 barrel carburetors with a 5 1/8 inch diameter. It features a high flow filter media that's washable and reusable to help your truck breathe a whole lot better. It's going to make our engine bay look a whole lot better and give it a custom touch. And for more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Alright, we're over at our truck. Why don't we get this ugly factory air cleaner off? First thing we have to do is unscrew the oil breather on the driver's side. Pop that off. Undo the nut up top. And lift this ugly hunk of junk out of here. We're going to grab a 1/2 inch socket and remove the stud on the carburetor. Grab the base to your new air cleaner and install it onto the carburetor. And if you'll notice, there's pre-made dents right here. This is for crankcase ventilation. If you wanted to use your factory setup, you would have to drill a couple holes here to make it work, but that's not what we're going to do with this air cleaner. We're going to ditch that ugly factory oil breather that was on our valve cover for this nice oil breather that's going to screw right onto the valve cover. It's got the nice Ford blue on it. Should look a whole lot better. And place the filter onto the base. This kit does come with a nice Edelbrock nut with a stud that can secure the air cleaner, but unfortunately this stud doesn't work with our carburetor, so we're going to use a longer 5/16 bolt to secure the filter. Make sure you get your white stripe lined up. This is so you can tell when the air filter is dirty. If it was purely just black, it would be really hard to tell, but this will let you see when it actually gets dirty. And our install is finished. Okay, we got the Edelbrock air cleaner installed on our 71 F-250. It's starting to look a lot better under the hood here, and it should help this truck to breathe a little bit better too. Install is pretty straightforward. It's only take you about 10 minutes to do it, and before you know it, you'll be heading down the road. We hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link right here, and for more videos like this one, click this playlist.